How to delete search history on YouTube. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. What you want to do is after you open up your YouTube app right here, click on your icon at the bottom right part of your screen and click on this gear icon at the top right. From here, click on Manage All History. Now this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Now let's scroll down a bit, and this is where you can see your watch history and your search history as well. Now if you want to delete them all, just click on delete right here, and you can choose which history to delete. If you only want to delete the search history that you searched today or for all time, like every search history that you made on YouTube, just click on delete all time and click on delete at the bottom right, and that should delete all your watch history and your search history. Now let's check it on our search bar right here. Click on your magnifying glass icon at the top right, and as you can see, all the search history just disappeared like that. And that is how you can basically delete search history on YouTube.